Hello, BCBs! Today, join me to experience a different kind of Filipino fusion food at Locavore. It's located at the ground level of Maison, Conrad Hotel, Seaside Boulevard at Pasay, Metro Manila. On the way to Locavore, we have to maneuver the traffic at SM Mega Mall of Asia. Then we catch the sunset at Manila Bay before having dinner at Locavore. Has any one of you been to this place? Please leave a comment below of your experience. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. This would really help to grow my channel. Thank you. Has any one of you experienced to catch the sunset at Manila Bay? How would you describe it? Please drop a comment below.